This is Brockman's Gin. It is a distilled gin produced here in the UK. It is 700 millilitres and it is 40% ABV. Like all good gins, we're going to start with juniper in there as one of our core botanicals, and of course that ties into our dark berries mantra as well. Juniper being a dark berry, but then we've also got blueberry and blackberry that come through, which gives you these amazing floral notes that come through. That's supported by coriander seed, licorice, orris, cinnamon that comes through. Really is a beautiful gin. And to make all of this happen, we get those botanicals, we macerate them in neutral grain spirit, and then we distill it very patiently so we can get exactly what we want in the bottle. We like to call ourselves the properly improper gin at Brockman's, and we do this by bringing together dark berries and noble traditions. On dark berries, you've got juniper, which is a core part of gin that you want to have in there, but we've also got blueberries and blackberries that come into it as well, which give you these amazing floral notes. Supporting that, you've got coriander, you've got cassia bark, you've got all of the citrus notes that you're getting from our Valencian oranges and our lemon peel that comes through. And we get all of those ingredients, we put them together into the neutral grain spirit to let it macerate for 24 hours before slowly distilling so that we can get exactly what we want here in Brockman's. We spent a long time developing our perfect serve, and of course, being a gin, our perfect serve had to be the perfect G&T. So for us, that is taking a large balloon glass, filling it with ice, putting 50 ml of Brockman's in there, dropping 2 blueberries into it, topping with a premium neutral tonic. We're not looking for any flavours to go into this one here, and then finishing over the top with a little bit of pink grapefruit zest as well. It's light, it's bright, and it's delicious. You can buy Brockman's Gin here in store at TT Liquor on Kingsland Road or online. You can also subscribe to find out more, or if you want to get a little bit more, sign up to the newsletter.